If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records at an impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view. With today's most advanced image sensor, it provides up to 4 times more image clarity than previous generations, ensuring less blind spots, more fine details, and outstanding image quality, always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
You're looking at the AUKEY 1080p Dash Cam. Its max resolution is 1080p, so it's pretty nice quality. It has a 170-degree field of view, so it's wide angle. It is low profile, so it fits nicely on your dashboard, and it has an emergency recording feature with accelerometers inside, so if you get into a collision, it will automatically save your footage. In terms of installation, it's relatively simple. I like to hide my cable, so it took me about 30 minutes to get it all set up, but I can reasonably see someone getting it done in about 20. It comes with everything you need to attach it right in the box, and the instructions are very clear. The only thing to note is that this does not come with a micro SD card, and you need one for it to record. I forgot that, so I had to just quickly buy one on Amazon, but it was only like $10. I live in Los Angeles with a bunch of crazy drivers, so just having any dash cam gives me some nice peace of mind when I'm on the road.